All right, folks, here we go. We got some reds and we got some more coupe clips. And of course, we know we got the nice cards of the Enterprise finally. Not a big Star Trek guy. The only thing is that I have it's possibly the first edition or close to it. I have a really old Enterprise in my warehouse. In my personal stuff that came with a collection a friend and I bought. We got more of the twin mills. We got more of the pixel shakers. I'm just going to check the cards now. If anybody needs reds, I have plenty. If anybody wants any of these, message me on the gram. Any of these cards that you see right here, $3 each. The extra $2 goes towards shipping materials and shipping costs for the giveaways. We are doing Hot Wheels giveaways soon. I was going to do it in this video, but I'm going to wait until we have a couple more subscribers and more people that can be part of the community. I'm going to box up all this stuff right now, and I also have some premiums that I've been hoarding in bags. I haven't even opened them since buying them. I'm going to lay them out now. We'll kind of talk about it. All right, I'm just kidding. I am going to do a giveaway. I'm going to send the first person to message me the word Hot Wheels keychain on my Instagram. I am going to get the best shipping address that you want this sent to from you, and I will send you this exact beautiful card fresh from the case coupe clip, and you can decide, do you want to open it or not? Okay, things are getting out of hand now. Thank God I keep the receipts to every freaking thing. I got some returns coming for real. All right, so for some reason I thought it would be a great idea to buy every Modern Classics I saw, I guess. Can you guess what's in here? Yeah, a bunch of Modern Classics. Let me get those organized. We'll do a count. If there's anything here that anyone likes, please DM me on the gram. Otherwise, it's going back to the store. Oh, that's right. I forgot about these. Yep. So that day that I was at this particular Walmart, I saw these and I was like, man, how cool, you know? It's the Deadpool scooter. I don't know. I liked it, but it's literally a peg warmer. Like every single store, they come together. So the Deadpool scooter comes with the Gas Monkey Corvette in the same case. Those are the first to go. Not just because of me, but because of everybody. I'm gonna have to look through these because there is a paint variant. I don't know if these two are gonna be it. Yeah, those look kind of the same, but there is a variant where it's not as gold. The Gas Monkey Corvette, it's like, it's just, there's some that are really, really gold, and there's some that are not. And I've seen them next to each other, so I know it's true because I noticed it myself in my own purchases. When I had some of them together, you could really tell that some of them are really gold. Anyway, I'm rambling. Be right back. I freaking love the Boulevards. Boulevards is probably my favorite premium set, especially since it has so many cars. I don't honestly think I'm going to continue. I'm going to stop between the 20 and 21 years. Here is a full case of Wave 3, which is really cool because it has the DeLorean, the DMC. Not the time machine, but just the DMC casting. So cool. I know everyone who owns that car says never buy one ever, but as a second car, I'm down. So we do have a lot of these Boulevards of this wave. I kind of need to go through them and see what really is worth keeping because, like I said, I just don't sell like I used to. And I am definitely returning these Modern Classics, so if anybody is missing any of these cars, there's a bunch of Evos, a bunch of Preludes, a bunch of Nissans. There might be an extra Beamer or two. I'm sure there is. Message me now. In here, there's the 3 Combies, but there's also 3 case fresh Combies, excuse me, and the Hot Wheels tour bus. I got those for a buddy that hasn't been able to find anything. So if he doesn't want them, those are also available or going back. M2 machines, the Purple Hornies Super Cheyenne 10. I have 2 of the NHRA Mustangs, all for sale. I'm pretty sure there's something in there that I probably should have opened a while ago. Let's check it. I think I know what this is. Oh yeah, I know what this is. Yeah. You guys see it? You guys see it? Huh? The 2021 Super Treasure Hunt 2019 Audi R8 Spider from M-Case. Pretty cool. I literally walk into a store, the store that I bought the Modern Classics from, a different night. And they had 3 M-Cases and we pulled the soup. I have the clip somewhere. If I can find it, it's on a different phone. If I can find it, I'll put it right here.
Cases later, well, what? 5 cases later, we got another one. The fucking Audi soup. Let's grab the matching hunt and put all this back. I really want to find the Fast and Furious, but you know what? I'm actually glad I came out. That kind of re-puts me back in the game on the Hot Wheels front. $3 for those Dodge trucks.
So yeah, that was pretty cool. And then that same night, I go to the next store and out of the freaking dump bin, actually it was a dump barrel.
All right, boys, we're at store number 4, and I see that somebody put out a bunch of M-Case cars, so they started stocking. I don't see the cars, the premiums I was looking for, but there could be something in here, honestly. It looks like they didn't do like a terrible job. They just pulled them all in. Let me check. I saw an Audi already. This is the bottom of the case, so I'm gonna have to go a little lower. I'll be right back. There's so many like...
Comes a second. That's right. 2 in one night of the Audi R8 soups. You can't, it's so hard to see in there. Yeah, there, you can just barely see it poking out right there. And then there it is right there. A little TH action, huh?
All right, boys, this is where we're at. We got 2 piles. We got 2 mainline soupy soup. I mean, 2 mainline Audis. But in here, okay, I'm not kidding. Store number 4 for the win. Beautiful card. A little corner hit there. A little bit of glue, not a problem. We can fix that.
So this one I need to repair the card. I actually have a video on how to repair Hot Wheels cards. I'll put the link right here. But these corners are repairable, guys. You can use a syringe with a clear glue and you can get that wet again with the glue, reshape it, let it dry, and it will be better than new. Check that video if you want to learn how to do that. And if you need the glue and syringe, you can DM me on the gram. Well, there we go. Got them all protected, nice and safe. How awesome, huh? Going through your crap to return and you find 2 soups from 21. Who can say that? I do have another main somewhere. I do like having the main to go with soups. Or someday down the road, if I sell these or give them away, which we're going to do on the channel, give some soups away, I will include the main line too, just so the person can have both, right? Why not? Now, before we end this video, there's something I've been wanting to do for a while. I did find this Gas Monkey Corvette, and it's one of the golder colors, but she took a hit. And this is such a cool this is such a cool Hot Wheel, honestly. We need to break this open. I would just throw it down and break it open right now, except for this big freaking mess. Let me clean up this mess. Let's open this. We'll end the video and boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right, I'm gonna give you one last scan. Anything you see, except for those that you want, you're gonna message me on the gram. Some Fast and Furious stuff, the Combies, the Gas Monkeys, any Modern Classics, Deadpool scooters. I'm gonna give you a couple days before I start my returns. That way, if there's anything you want, now's the time. I forgot I have these also. These are the Honda S2000 that go with the Mustang and Hellcat that we saw up on the top of the table there. So I have these also, a full case. Oh, I just found another bag. All right, 2 more of the Volkswagen classic bugs that go with this third Boulevard wave. And there was 2 more Superbirds in there, so. And you gotta remember, guys, this is over like 2 or 3 months. Some of the receipts even go back to 21, so. Don't think I bought this all in one night. All right, I found 2 of the gas monkeys that are the variants. You see right there? That's no trickery. You could tell that bottom one is clearly more gold. The top one has more of a copper look. So there is a paint variant. It's just something to look out for. I prefer the more gold looking one. And luckily the one that we're gonna open in a second is the more gold one of the 2. And I'll show you right here. So now it's the top one. So you can see there's a few that are just a little bit more pale in comparison. I was today years old when I found out the mains and the premiums are the exact same height. So I didn't mention this, but this one effing TV series Batmobile is stuck. I cannot get it down. So I think I'm gonna open it and do a wheel swap because as you can see, the paint is really cool. I can't get like a great, oh yeah. There she is. You saw that, right? Yeah, so the paint is pretty freaking sick on these things. A lot of reflection going on, but I think we should open it, do a wheel swap, maybe give it away. Huh? Anybody? I actually have all of these custom wheels. So we got 4 bars with Advan tires. We got stuff with no print. We got blue with Advan. Dude, maybe those on the Batmobile? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Guess we got to do one of these that we could see. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know about the Advan though. There's some other stuff. I was going to do a Barbie van at one point, and I actually have it somewhere. I guess it's at my warehouse. Anyway, shopmonoblock.com. This is not sponsored. I just really like the product. They also use 3-piece axles. And again, there's a video to this actually. Yeah, forget all this. They come with these crap axles, but you really need the premium axles. Link is, again, already been posted. I could go all day showing you guys stuff. So I'm putting some of the things in this bin. There's a bunch of old Fast and Furious sets. And when I say a bunch, I mean a bunch. That's the one with the black and white Beamers. I got tons of these Civic EGs. I mean, I almost have so many. I need to go through this so nothing's getting bent. I stacked them in a way that hopefully the angles are natural and not putting any weird pressure on anything. Rambling? Okay, just like that, we have a clean table. Let's wrap up this short little video by cracking this premium Corvette with one hand. Damn it, I can't do it. I don't have nails. I cut my freaking nails today. Come on, one hand. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's like they didn't want anybody opening this one at all, I guess. Okay, I'll be right back. Dang, that's so nice. Look at that. Dude, we opened a good one. It's so hard to tell through the plastic. Holy crap. All right, I know it's not out. One sec. There she is. Oh, the base is gold. I didn't even realize that. That's so weird. I never noticed that. And this thing is nice, dudes. This is nice. All right, boys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thanks for watching. I know I'm just talking, a lot of showing, but if anybody wants anything, hit me up on the gram. I'm gonna wait a few days to start the returns, and the link is in the description.